Hi. Welcome to my channel. How are you? Today, we're going to turn a Caracal cat into a Marvel superhero. Do you think it will look very interesting and extraordinary? So don't go anywhere, keep watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and activate the bell, so you don't miss our latest video. Let's go. Thanos. Captain America. Hulk. Green Lanterns. Deadpool. Thor. Iron Man. Venoms. Batman. Spider-Man. Superman. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to continue to follow this channel by like, comment and subscribe, and turning on the bell, so you don't miss our latest video updates. Thank you. See you next video.